little star rhymes. Let's sing and play. Beep, beep, here it comes, rolling in the morning sun. Baby chick is ready today, school bus takes us on our way. Tiny backpack, shoes so bright, smiling face, what a delight. Wave goodbye, don't be late, school bus waits right by the gate. Baby chick rides the school bus, happy, happy, all with us. Sing and clap, 1, 2, 3, best friends riding happily. Bunny waves, come sit here, ducks to school is almost near. Looking out the window wide, what a fun and joyful ride. Baby chick rides the school bus, happy, happy, all with us. Laugh together, sing along, every ride's a happy song. Round and round the wheels go, fast or slow, away we go. Driver smiles and says hello, to our school we safely go. Baby chick rides the school bus, learning makes us all so proud. Wave hello and clap your hands, best school bus in all the land. Beep, beep, what a day, time to learn and laugh and play. Goodbye friends, see you soon, back again tomorrow afternoon.